Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Christmas badge in Sonic RP Mobius MegaDrive. To begin your festive quest, first, launch the game and navigate to the special Christmas event map. This area is usually themed as a winter wonderland, filled with snowy landscapes and holiday decorations. It's your starting point for finding this exclusive seasonal collectible. Once you are in the winter wonderland, your next step is to explore every nook and cranny. Keep a keen eye out for anything that looks out of place or particularly festive. Past events have featured hidden items like a frozen character or a special snowman. These unique elements are often cleverly tucked away, so be patient and look everywhere. After you have successfully located the special festive object or character, the next crucial step is to interact with it. This interaction is usually straightforward, often requiring you to simply walk into or touch the item. Upon successful interaction, you should see a notification confirming that you have earned the coveted Christmas badge. It's a quick and rewarding moment. Congratulations! Once you have interacted with the special item, the Christmas badge will automatically be added to your in-game collection. There's no need for extra steps to claim it. You can now proudly display your new badge and, if applicable, enjoy any exclusive character morphs that come with it. Share your festive achievement with friends and celebrate the season.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.